Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a great moisturizing cream that is also going to protect you from the sun, then I highly recommend this one from Cicatricure. This is the perfect size. I love throwing this in my purse, and I really like the application. So it's got a yellowish tinge to it, but it absorbs clear, and I love that it doesn't leave a hazy white residue on my skin. This is perfect underneath my makeup. I also really like the ingredients here because not only is it a day cream that protects from UV rays, but it also reduces the appearance of wrinkles. And now that I'm getting a little bit older, I am concerned about those wrinkles, as I'm sure you are too. And so having a cream that combats aging and also protects your skin from the sun is great and something that I'm always looking for. I would highly recommend this one. It has a really nice scent and it has not broken me out at all. So this is 10 out of 10, but that's just my point of view.